Lay down in a comfortable place or stay seated. Allow your eyes to soften or perhaps to close if you want to go deeper within yourself. And allow your breath to gently slow, to deepen. As you breathe just a little bit deeper and a little bit slower than usual, bring your right hand up to the center of your chest, and tap gently at the center of your chest. Tap the heart, awakening the heart center, calming the heart center. Gently bring the attention, bring the energy back into the center of the chest, calling back all your scattered energy from the day, all of the things that you need to do, sucking everything into the center of the chest, into the heart, into the present moment, and quiet. Breathing just a little deeper and a little slower than usual. In and out of the heart center. The heart that is your higher intelligence. The heart that is connected to your soul. The heart that understands the holistic present, that is in flow, in truth. Breathe in and out of the heart. And allow yourself to bring to mind a recent conflict or a moment where you felt fear in your body. First thing that comes to mind, first thing that hits the body is exactly what you are meant to look at. Fear is nothing more than an opportunity to better understand ourselves, to better understand where we are in pain and where we are disconnected from the heart. That's all that fear is. Breathe in and out of the heart. And now ask your heart deeply, what is the fear underneath this moment? What is the real fear beneath the fear? What does this fear remind you of? What are you afraid will repeat? Any emotions come to the surface, allow them to move smoothly through the body as they are intended to. Honor the fear. Honor the false self that has tried to protect you. And say to yourself, I see this fear. I now release this fear that no longer serves me. And with your next inhale, ask the heart again, what feeling should I now anchor? What feeling should I anchor? Breathing in and out of the heart center. Bring to mind any images, people, scenes, words that bring this feeling into your body. We want to feel deeply this feeling from the heart center. Allow the heart to connect with the feeling. Breathing in and out of the heart. Anchoring that feeling throughout the body. Radiate this feeling as your field is healing. Healing. Continue to radiate this feeling for another 60 seconds. And when you are ready, slowly deepen your breath, returning the energy to the body, back into the simplicity of the heart. And as you are ready, open your eyes. Great gratitude for your practice, for your courage, amplifying your ability to love yourself and others more profoundly. May you always have the courage to see fear for what it is, an opportunity to expand love.